So I thought I would do an up-close video showing you the new Nuvo stamp cleaning solution and Nuvo stamp cleaning pad. I've seen these in the past from other companies, but I've never had one myself. I have already used this one, as you can tell. I put it back up in the packaging upside down. Anyway, but this is a really handy piece of equipment to have. Like, I've got a couple of stamps here that are a bit dirty, so I thought I'd see, because I think I've used stays on one of them and then left it and it's not really clean. So I thought I would see and show you how well this works. So it comes in this lovely packaging, as everything Nuvo comes in gorgeous packaging, and it's gorgeous itself too. And it tells you everything you need to know, and that it's great with their Nuvo hybrid ink pads because they're permanent, so they can stain your stamps, but it cleans it off really, really well. It tells you instructions, so you can just use water with it if you wanted to, but they recommend, and I recommend, using their Nuvo stamp cleaning solution. And you can either spray this onto your stamp and then rub it onto here to clean it off, or you can do what I've done, and let's take mine out. So I have written in a permanent pen, I've written the word wet up there and dry down there. So the way I'm using it is I'm spraying my solution straight onto this side, rubbing the stamp in it, and then rubbing it on this side to clean it off. And that's been working really well. So I thought I would show you, oh, and this is such good quality as well. It's like really strong plastic and it looks so stylish and smart, and it's got a magnetic closure, so it closes really easily and there's no difficult like catch to try and undo. It's just really easy. So I've got this stamp from Princess Stamp that I used a while ago, and I've put back. It's a bit dirty. It's got dog hair on it. So it's only a little bit dirty, this one, but so I have used this recently, but I'll spray one more spray on it just to show you. So you just spray onto that side, take your stamp, just rub it over, and look how perfectly clean that is. And then rub it on the dry side just to dry it off. Perfect. Now you will get some of these hairs coming off from the bristles of the pad, but most of the time when I've been cleaning my stamps, they've just stayed in the back part, so they're not going to interfere with your stamping, but I'm sure they'll just drop off as the solution dries and everything. And then I've got another stamp here that I've used quite a bit, so I think it's really dirty. Yep, it's pretty mucky. I'll show you how. So you can see that there's obviously residual black ink, and I use this one with oxides quite a bit as well. And there's even bits of fluff off of baby wipes and stuff all over it. So let's see how well it does with this one. Pretty good. I don't think I could get it that clean with a baby wipe. Yep, pretty good. Perfectly clean. And this one has got quite a bit of oxide left on it. You see the chalky finish? That's oxides that I haven't cleaned off very well. Perfect. And obviously with a deeply etched rubber stamp, it doesn't get down completely into all the crevices, but you don't really need that to be clean. Okay, perfect. I might actually deliberately put some stays on ink on a stamp to experiment and see how well it cleans it off. So here's my stays on. Might as well use this one. There we go. Stays on ink. Then I might stamp it as if you'd been using it on your project, you'd given it a stamp, but then you've left it and it's all completely black on there. And when I try and use a baby wipe to clean things like this, I never get it all off. I mean, it's probably easier to get it all off on a rubber stamp than it is on a clear stamp, but still, there's always some black left. So let's see how well it fares. Perfect, all gone. So it's really, really, really great for getting your stamps really nice and clean. I don't like it when my stamps look dirty, even though you know they're clean and there's no residual ink coming off. I still don't like it, so it's great for me. And you saw that was stays on, and I'd cleaned a few stamps since I'd sprayed one spray of the spray on, so the spray really does last a long time on this. And obviously I've been using it, and I've obviously left it shut and it's been in my drawer, and then I've opened it up and I haven't even sprayed any more on it, and it's been brilliant for cleaning as well. Say you were using oxides and you didn't want to risk getting all the oxide ink inside the bristles. I'm not sure how it would fare because I haven't tried it yet, but you could wipe off the majority of the ink with a baby wipe first and then just dry it off on this side too. So I hope you enjoyed that up close look at the Nuvo stamp cleaning pad and the Nuvo stamp cleaning solution. So thanks for watching.